How to send proposal on Upwork. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to send proposal on Upwork. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Upwork account and just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you're there in your Upwork account, just simply scroll down on the home screen itself and see the different kind of job posting that you have in your account, and choose the kind of work that you would like to do. So for example, I want to apply for this one right here, which says content writer and research. So in order to apply and send the proposal to this particular employer, just simply click on apply now from the page itself. And now it says use connects to submit proposal. So just simply close this one. And in order to send this particular proposal, you will need some connects. So you should have connects in your wallet, and you should read that how much connects this proposal will need. So for example, this proposal will need at least 15 connects. So you should have this much in your account. And right now in my account I have 105 connects remaining. So that means I can send this particular proposal to the employer. And now just read through the terms and conditions and the requirement for the project. And now you just have to simply attach your cover letter, or you can also write it right here. Just simply attach your documents over here related to the job that you are applying for. And after that, just simply click on submit proposal from the bottom of the screen. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to send proposal on Upwork. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.